Number 2, identify outliers and determine their effects. 6 students measured their right thumbs from the knuckle to the end. The measurements are given here in centimeters. What is the range? Well, we've got a 31 centimeter down to a 2.6 centimeter. So if we subtract them, 28.4 centimeters is the range.
That's a really long thumb.
B, what is the mean? Well, we can add them up and then divide by 6. So adding them up is 45.4 and then divide by 6. So the average is 7.56 centimeters. That's still quite long. Does it look like there's an outlier? Yes, 31 centimeters seems like it's an outlier. It's about 10 times larger or longer than all the other measurements. Maybe the student just forgot to put the decimal in. It might be 3.1 centimeters, but they forgot the decimal. So we should remove that outlier and recalculate it without that 31 in there. So if we do that, remove the 31 and then calculate the mean over again, then you've got a new total of 144.5. You've got one last point that you're using, so instead of 6, you're dividing by 5. That's something to point out. When you're calculating the mean with all of the data, you'll have a certain number in the bottom. If you remove outliers, that number on the bottom changes, so don't forget to remove that. So in this case, you remove the outlier and it's divided by 5. So then, the new mean is 2.88 centimeters, which means that instead of 7.56, it's about a third of that, 2.88, which is much more reasonable. So that mean was greatly affected by the outlier. So here we go, another show you know with some new data. Please go through. Looks like you're dealing with the mean and then removing the outlier and then recalculating. Go ahead.